Welcome to the channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. Today I'm gonna do the video about my mini first aid kit. And here we have it. A beautiful, nice mini first aid kit. But before we get into this video, we will be back after this message. Welcome back, guys. Let's get into this video, shall we? Okay, here we have the mini first aid kit. Let's open this and see what we can find inside. I'm always curious what we can find in here, okay? The first item is medical tape. Nicely packed in a Ziploc bag. I like those Ziploc bags. And we have around 20 Q-tips, always nicely packed in a Ziploc bag as well. Q-tips are always also very useful. I like them. Most of the time you have too few of them. And we have 2 alcohol pads, a couple of Band-Aids, and we have a non-adherent pad. And the last one is non-adherent pad. I have 2 of them. It's actually a decent size on these. And let's see. No, that's all that was in this little bag, pouch. Well, the zipper is pretty good. It's a good zipper. It's not the bad ones. It's really nice, actually. And the pouch itself is made of nylon of some sort. But it's a nice little pouch. I might get some more stuff in this to add to this little kit, which I might do actually, to add some more items to this. That would be nice, like a tweezer, for example. Tweezers are always useful. You always need them if you get a splinter in your finger or something. But anyway, guys, what do you think about this kit? And what do you think about these items? I'm really curious to hear your opinion about this beautiful, nice little mini first aid kit. And thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your support. I appreciate that. Take care, stay safe, and God bless. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos and go live. So that's all for today's video. Take care, stay safe, and stay prepared. ShadowScoutSwede out.